The other question that I might ask you, and this one is a lot easier, but it's also a lot more important to know, I would say, especially for this class. How many valence electrons do the following elements have? And you know what? We'll just use these same elements here. So if we want to take a look at lithium, we can just look at the periodic table. See, it's in this group, group 1. And it would have 1 valence electron. 1 valence electron. So if you want to follow me, I'm going to go through the rest of those atoms that we just did and write the valence electrons. But if you know how to do this, you could stop watching and just write them all in. So next we're going to go to carbon. And if we take a look, and I'll write, if we take a look, carbon's right here. And I will write in, remember our valence electrons depend on our groups. I'm just going to write in here the number of valence electrons for each of these elements, so that we can just look up directly. So carbon is in this group, so it's going to have 4 valence electrons. So 4 valence electrons. Oxygen's next. So we can take a look. Oxygen, 6 valence electrons. 6 valence electrons. And then we can go to magnesium. We have to find that on the periodic table. Magnesium, group 2, 2 valence electrons. One other thing I want to point out here, just by looking at our electron configurations, we can see valence electrons. If you look at our outer energy level for 2, 1 valence electron there. For carbon, we got 2 and 2, giving us 4 valence electrons. For oxygen, we got our outer energy level, 2 and 4, giving us 6 valence electrons. And take a look at magnesium, outer energy level 3, and we got 2 valence electrons. So you can see how this all starting to work together. So let's take a look at our other elements that we did. So we got potassium. So we take a look. Potassium's right here. Group 1, 1 valence electron. Take a look at bromine now. And bromine right here, group 17, 7 valence electrons. And you could even look at this. Look, the outer energy levels. 4. We got 2 plus 5. We got our 7 valence electrons there. Strontium, group 2, 2 valence electrons. And then I kind of tricked you guys. Gold's here. Gold's in our transition elements. We don't know. So I would not ask you how many valence electrons that one has.